What's going on, everybody? Alex here with Genesis of Schaumburg. We are at 90 North at Schaumburg Live here. This is right by the Zurich Tower, right in our backyard in Schaumburg here. We brought a GV80 to showcase at this incredible event. There's a lot of new construction in this area with the Viridian Complex and all these townhouses. They're building this up in the next couple years or so. We have a great event today, and we're going to have some great music, some great food, and a great time. So let's see what happens.